Today I'm making one of my favorite quick keto meals. I started by adding some beef tallow to a skillet and tossing in frozen bell pepper and onions. One thing I love about using frozen bell peppers and onions is there's no chopping required. You just dump them in the pan and let them cook. I let them cook until they were soft and starting to get some nice brown color because that is where all the flavor starts to develop. While those were cooking, I wrapped a slice of bacon around each hot dog. Now for this meal, I'm using inexpensive Bar-S hot dogs. You do not need fancy ingredients to make a satisfying keto meal. Once the bell peppers and onions were browned, I removed them from the skillet and set them aside. Then I added the bacon-wrapped hot dogs right into the same pan. Cooking them in the same skillet lets them pick up all that flavor that's left behind from the peppers, onions, and beef tallow. I turned them occasionally until the bacon was cooked and everything was nice and golden brown. Then it was time to plate everything up, and I served the bacon-wrapped hot dogs alongside the peppers and onions, some pickle chips, and a little mayo and sugar-free ketchup. No bun needed. This meal is simple, budget-friendly, keto-friendly, and honestly doesn't leave me missing that bread at all. If you're looking for an easy low-carb dinner idea, give this one a try. And if you'd like to make it yourself, I'll link some of the ingredients and tools I used down below.